From our first moments together, you've melted my heart with your sweet words. You've embraced me with all my faults and have given me the courage to reach farther than I could have dared without you. You always bring out the best in me. You understand me like no one else, and you're always fighting in my corner. We first met each other nearly 8 years ago. I'm very proud to say that you're my best friend I've ever had. Today is one chapter of our lives close, a new one begins. Our new journey begins as husband and wife, and it's a time in our life that we can start to fulfill our dreams.
Kiss me like you wanna be loved. Wanna be loved. Wanna be loved. This feels
I call upon the persons here present to witness that I, Jesslyn, take you, Josh Ward, to be my lawfully wedded husband. Josh, all that I am and all that I have, I offer to you. You are my best friend, and today I give myself to you in marriage. I promise to laugh with you and grow with you. I promise to cheer with you when the Cowboys win and cry with you when they lose. I will love you when we are together and when we are apart. I promise to support your dreams and respect our differences, and to love you and be by your side through all the days and nights of our lives. In you, I found the love of my life and my closest truest friend.
I call upon the persons here present to witness that I, Joshua Lord, take you, Jesslyn Balmos, be my lawfully wedded wife. Jesslyn, all that I am and all that I have, I offer to you. You are my best friend, and today I give myself to you in marriage. I promise to encourage you and inspire you, to laugh with you and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. I promise to love you in good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when our love is simple and when it's an effort. I promise to cherish you and always hold you in highest regard. These things I give to you today and all days of our life.
So with all that said, with the exchange of these vows and these rings, and the witness of this company with the power entrusted to me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You can kiss.
Yeah, I've been feeling everything from hate to love, from love to lust, from lust to truth. I guess that's how I know you. If you love somebody, better tell them why they're here, 'cause they just may run away from you. You'll never know quite when, well, then again it just depends on how long your time is left for you. I've had the highest mountains, I've had the deepest river. You can have it all, but life keeps moving. I'll take it in, but don't look down. 'Cause I'm on top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh? Waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, eh? Been holding it in for a while, eh? Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world. When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the
Well, if
night.
you're looking in each other's eyes, it shows me that true love really does exist. And by definition, love is true when you allow yourself to take it all in, without hesitation, without inhibition, without reservation. Not looking back, not holding back, and not turning back either.
Well, I won't give up. God knows I'm tough. He knows.
Jess, we've known you now for 8 incredible years and have watched you grow into the beautiful, person you are today, and we've always thought of you as part of our family since the beginning.
I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up. I take it in, but don't look down. 'Cause I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. Been waiting on this for a while now. Paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, hey. Been holding it in for a while, hey. Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world, hey.